Good evening. We interrupt your regular scrolling to announce that Creative Building Finishes will be at this year's Rebuild Expo in Montego Bay, Jamaica. For more on what visitors can expect, we're going to go inside to our correspondent in the showroom, Chris Anthony, for more.
Thanks, Shayan. Preparations are well underway, and here's what you can expect when you're visiting our booth. We'll have our latest style collections, modern kitchen and bathroom displays, and of course, our expert team on site to provide you with all the information for your next home project. Oh, and here's the exciting news. Everyone that visits our booth has the chance to enter a raffle to win fantastic prizes. Over to you, Shay.
You heard it here first. Great products, great prices, and of course, a chance to win. Be sure to visit us at the Rebuild Expo right down at the Montego Bay Convention Center this July 11th to the 12th. See you soon.